Guys, welcome back to Charisco Crypto. Welcome, guys. Let's discuss. Let's discuss Bitcoin. Let's discuss crypto. So let's talk about everything else that is happening in the world of crypto, guys. So, guys, as you guys can see, the market is up once again. Bitcoin is trading above $120,000, almost about $114,000 right now. Bitcoin was even trading above 140,000 just about a few hours ago. So now it's slightly down because it's consolidating, so which is normal. So guys, I'll be telling you guys that Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. It's just a matter of time. So Bitcoin is just consolidating, which is what you guys are seeing. The market is up huge again. Solana is skyrocketing. Yeah, guys, I see the chat booming, man. You guys are amazing. You're all welcome. You're all welcome. Let's discuss Bitcoin. Let's discuss crypto, guys. Share the stream. Share the stream. Share the stream. Let's discuss Bitcoin and crypto together. You're all welcome. You're all welcome. Matthew, my man. Shivo, you guys are welcome. You guys are welcome. You guys are welcome. So, guys, let's discuss Bitcoin. Let's discuss crypto. Let's talk about everything else that is happening in the market. Bitcoin is looking strong, just like never before. I'll be telling you guys, so stay strong. Each time the market is down, embrace it as an opportunity to accumulate more. But guess what? A day like today, the market is up. Solana is trading above $123. Guys, we have a lot of positive news for Solana holders, SRP as well. So you guys can see what the market is doing. The market is booming a day like today. Most of the altcoins are up huge, which is why I keep saying, you never sell your Bitcoin when the market is down. This year and hold for a long time still remain the best strategy. This year and hold each time the market is down. So this is one thing I'll be saying. So guys, let's see this first. Let's dive into the market. You guys can see. Let me refresh it a little bit. Boom, Bitcoin trading above $130,000 a day. Ethereum 4,000. We'll be coming back to the market. So, but I want to know. Let's dive into the market. Let's see what is happening in the market and where we should be heading to. So Bitcoin and crypto, next move is around the corner. So Bitcoin next move is around the corner. A huge move is coming for Bitcoin and crypto. So don't be scared. Keep this here. So which is why, even if a day like today, I'll still be bringing oh my goodness, again. Fuck. Okay. Guys, let's go. Sorry guys for that. I have to change this monitor anytime soon. So guys, as you guys can see, I have to bring out a Bitcoin demand from accumulations address for you guys to see, what is happening in the market, what is happening behind the scenes, what the Wall Street are doing, the institutional investors are doing. Each time the market is down, they take it as an opportunity. They accumulate more as much as they can, which is why, I keep making research upon research every single day to let you guys know what is happening in the market, to let you guys know that you don't have to be scared. That so all you need to do is to keep this here. So guys, coming back to this, let me see let's show you guys this. Okay, let's go. So guys, as you guys can see here, this chart here, this is a Bitcoin demands from accumulators address. What is this saying and what is this showing? So over the past few weeks, I'll be telling you guys, what the institutionals are doing, what, the big boys, which they keep accumulating more Bitcoin and crypto. So demand from Bitcoin's accumulations address reaching a new all-time high with over 266,000 Bitcoin accumulated, showing strong long-term holders. So this chart here is showing a strong long-term holders that, the big boys, they have been accumulating at least over 266,000 Bitcoin just in the past months. That is because, so those corporate treasuries, they are adopting Bitcoin and crypto. So this is shown by CryptoQuant, which is almost 100% accurate. So this chart here is showing that so over the past few months, we have over 266,000 Bitcoin being accumulated by those corporate companies, those corporate treasuries. Those companies keep accumulating more Bitcoin and crypto. So which is why you don't need to sleep on Bitcoin and crypto. But guess what? Coming back here, yeah, guys, share this room with your friends and family. Let them know about Bitcoin and crypto. So let's discuss Bitcoin and crypto together, guys. So coming here, Meta Planner, just for the rest, is international offerings with about 1.4 billion to buy more Bitcoin. So when people like Michael Saylor, they start buying Bitcoin, everybody start laughing at them. Oh, Michael Saylor, so what is he doing? Going all in Bitcoin. But you guys can see, as of now, not just Michael Saylor who is accumulating Bitcoin. People like Meta Planet have been accumulating and accumulating. And guess what? Their stock has become one of the best performing stock in Japan. And they have the most trading volume, which is quite crazy. But that is how it is, guys. So which is why I keep saying, you never go wrong by buying Bitcoin. You guys can see what the institutional investors are doing, what the Wall Street are doing. They keep accumulating and accumulating and accumulating. Guys, I see the chat booming. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are enjoying the week, man. So, guys, this for sure the market is up once again. It's a good time at least to take profit if you're in profit. But guess what? Most of the data are still showing that so 120,000 is still in play. So which I think if the Fed decide to cut rates in the next week, but guess what? Bitcoin and crypto will skyrocket once again. Bitcoin will be trading above $120,000 if the Fed Chair Jerome Powell decide to cut interest rates by next weeks. So you guys will see it here. Bitcoin is trading between $130,678 as of now. But guess what? There are still a lot of people who still don't want to buy Bitcoin because they believe that Bitcoin is way too high. But guess what? Next week, next 2 weeks, imagine Bitcoin trading above $125,000. Then you will see that everybody want to accumulate as much as Bitcoin as they can. So they will be afraid to buy when the market is down. But when the market is up, they all want to FOMO into the market, which is not the best idea. It's not the best way. The best strategy is to buy when the market is down and sell when the market is up, which is one thing I keep saying every single day, which is why people like Meta Planet, they never stop buying. They keep accumulating and accumulating. MicroStrategy, they keep buying and buying and buying. People like someone like BlackRock, so they keep accumulating and accumulating. Fidelity as well, they keep accumulating more Bitcoin and crypto. Solana, guys, coming to Solana spot ETF may be coming anytime soon, which is why you guys can see Solana is up huge. So Solana will just take a huge move ahead of October spot ETF. Solana spot ETF may get approved by this October here, but it may also get denied by the SEC. But guess what? You all know. So when they said no, so they may just delay it. So for a while, but guess what? For sure, Solana spot ETF is coming. ADA spot ETF is coming. I posted a clip yesterday about spot ETF. ADA spot ETF is coming. SROP is spot ETF is coming. Most of those altcoin spot ETF is coming, which will allow these institutional investors to invest in Bitcoin, crypto. So they already invested in Bitcoin, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, because it's already classified as non-security, which is why Solana is also coming there as well to allow those Wall Street, those institutional investors to accumulate more as much as they can. It's very, very important, guys. So don't sleep on Bitcoin and crypto. Keep saying it. You guys can see it, a president like President Trump embracing Bitcoin and crypto. That tells a whole lot that, Bitcoin and crypto, we are just getting started and we have a long way to go. I keep saying it. Stay strong. Don't be scared. All you just need to do is to keep this here. I showed you guys just about 2 days ago that so just 2020 here, your $100 in 2020. Now when you go to back to and withdraw it, that's your $100 in 2020. You will now be getting $76. But guess what? If you have added that $100 in Bitcoin, just 2020 here, just between 5 years. Today you will still be having 1,600, 1,500 just by adding that 1,000, in fact, $100 in Bitcoin. So now you have to make a choice. If you will put your money in an asset that going up in value, or you will leave your money in fiat, which is the government money, which they keep taking away your buying power. So guys, don't be scared. This time the market is down. You guys can see, even if a day like today, Solana is up huge. So which is why I keep saying, don't sleep on Solana, because we have a lot of positive news on Solana. We have a lot of positive things keep happening with Solana. 99% of the meme coin right now are be trading on Solana. Top fun. So if you're on Prop 4 right now, you can see that more than thousands of meme coin being launched a day. Where are they launching them on Solana? So which is why you never go wrong, at least by investing in crypto over us. Even if SRP is up today, huge, it's almost back up to $3, $2, $2.99. That's quite huge. I'm just seeing it, man. So guys, coming back here, you can see BYCIO sees a peak here ending with this Solana. So BYCIO is saying that Solana, a huge rally is coming for Solana and crypto. So you guys can see, so a lot of people still believe in. So I myself as well. So I have been saying it over the past few months, unless you haven't been watching my stream. I've been saying it that Solana, at first money will flow into Ethereum, which is what happened. Ethereum skyrocket, hit all-time high. Ethereum head up to what? So head up to $4,950, was just about $50 away from so that was just about so I'm taking that back. Ethereum was just about $50 away from all-time high. But you guys can see now money is rotating back from Solana from Ethereum to Solana. That's what I mean. So which is quite huge, guys. So I keep saying it, stay strong. Each time the market is down, this year, and hold for a long term. For sure, you guys will all be in profit. The best strategy keep remaining at so this year and hold, and for sure you will be in profit each time the market is up. Trading, even if you know about the technical analysis, when you are trading, most of the time you win, most of the time you lose. Which is why so I keep saying that the best strategy is to invest, is to buy and hold for a long time. Which is, even if people like MicroStrategy, that is what they are doing. People like Bitmine, that is what they are doing. I know you don't have so much capital like them, you don't have so much money like them, but what? Guess what? You can keep this year $2, $3 into your favorite altcoin, into your favorite crypto coin, Bitcoin. Add $2 each time you have some. It's not a financial advice, but this is what I'll be doing. So please add $2, add $3, add $4 each time you have some cash on your side. That is the power of this year. But you guys will always say that each time when the market is up, you will be in profit. Smarter web companies buy 30 BTC. Totally holding reach 2,470 Bitcoin. So this is the power of this year. You can see Smarter Web just add 30 Bitcoin to their portfolio, which is this year, but their total hold is now about 2,470 Bitcoin. So buy at least as much as you can, even if Jack said that so their plan is to make sure that so they buy as much as money Bitcoin they can before Bitcoin skyrockets up. Yeah, for sure. I'm coming back to the chart. Some people will use TA then fail with spoken the setup. For sure, one thing is that most of those Wall Street, they can manipulate the market, even if even people like the US, which already created Bitcoin strategic reserve. You think they want to buy in a higher price? Most of them, or those exchanges as well. That is how they make their money. Look at hype liquidity. Hype liquidity has become one of the biggest revenue generating in the crypto space. But guess what? They made a huge amount of money, billions of money. How did they make this money? They made them from traders. We have a huge amount of volume there. Most of the time, those traders try to manipulate the market. Even if when the technical analysis, the TA, just like as you say, Vavon, he said that so the market is going up. But guess what? The big boys, most of them, they usually manipulate the market in order for the market to go into their favor. If you look at what is it called? So whether poly market, when you go to poly market, you find out that they bet billions of dollars in Bitcoin. For Bitcoin not to even trade up to $120,000 this year again. But those people will try their possible best to push the market down. But we totally understand that you can't hold Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is their asset with freedom, which everyone needs as a human. So like guys, coming back here again, Solana, I keep telling you guys that more money keep coming into the crypto space. I keep showing you guys this, what the Wall Street are doing, what the institutionals are doing, what the big boys are doing. So Psycho has just minted about 500,000. I'm sorry, guys, 500 million USDC. 500 million, not 500,000. 500 million USDC, which is about $500 million on Solana, bringing the total of 1.2 billion USDC minted on so far. So that is quite huge. This month alone, today is just we are just between 10. But guess what? We already have on today 10th, we already have about $1.2 billion minted on Solana blockchain. So which is why the big boys, they keep buying and buying and buying and buying. Instead of them selling and taking profit, taking money out from the market, you can see more money keep coming into the market. They keep meeting new USDC every single day. So, which is why you can see in just this month alone, we already have about 1.2 billion USDC meted on Solana chain. So, which is why Solana is skyrocketing as of today. To have a lot of positive news on Solana, spot ETF coming October. If we hope it gets approved. But guess what? Even if they delay it, but it's coming. Spot ETF is coming from most of those altcoins. BBV Bank, I want you guys to see this, guys. Yeah, my people, how now they see the chat booming. So, guys, if you're watching from S, aka Twitter, you're watching from Twitch, you're watching from Cake, head over to the YouTube channel at Charisco Crypto. Subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell. So, and if you guys have been buying, you are this year, let me know on the chat what you guys have been buying. Very, very important. So, let me know so that I can keep accumulating as well. But don't forget, even if I myself am making a plan to start this year, early next year, so a portfolio to create at least about a $10,000 portfolio and take it to all-time high, which it will be worth at least about $60,000 to $80,000. So if you love that, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, your notification bell is on, so we can this year together. So when I start buying, you guys will see what I'm buying on my portfolio. So Spanish Bank, which is a BBV, to use a repo tech for retail digital asset custodies under EU MiCA. So which is quite huge. This is what I was saying about SRP. Just about a month ago, Ledger complete about 1 billion transactions on their blockchain. But guess what? You guys can see now, more banks are embracing Bitcoin and crypto. You guys can see that, more banks want to be in the crypto space, which is why this Spanish bank is, which is called BBV Bank. So it's using a repo tech for retail digital asset custody, which is quite huge for SRP and SRP AMI and repo as well. Let's see what next. So guys, this is why I'm telling you guys that a lot of people are still bullish in the market. So this way just log into Bitcoin. So you want to log into Bitcoin, that is using leverage with about 40x leverage on the Bitcoin, 20x leverage on Solana. So when we are saying way, this is way who is using a huge amount of money, use about 540 Bitcoin to log into, which is quite almost about millions of dollars so into Bitcoin. He used almost about $3 million to log into Bitcoin and almost about 20 something $1 million on Solana. That is because he believed that he believes so much that so the market will be booming, the market will be going up, which is why he's using a high leverage on Bitcoin and Solana as well. So if you think the market is going down, Bitcoin is going down from here, you have to think again. Yeah, we may go down for a while, trade sideways, consolidate. We always say Bitcoin is an asset that have been trading sideways for long term, for over the years. Bitcoin have been sometimes usually trade sideways. Volatility is linked. But when you zoom out, you will totally understand that Bitcoin has been going up in value for the past few years to date. So Bitcoin been going up. Despite the up and down, we have been going up to date. That's because last cycle, when we did that 2022, Bitcoin was trading 16,000. Today, you can see Bitcoin is trading above 100. Bitcoin is trading above $130,700 as of today. So, which is why even if people like BlackRock, as you guys can see, guys, yesterday, yeah, BNB is up as well, my man. BNB is up huge. BNB is up huge. BlackRock Spot ETF just bought about 1,510 Bitcoin and 10,270 Ethereum just yesterday. So on night yesterday, which was yesterday, you guys can see what the Wall Street are doing. They want to take away your buy power. So, which is why you need to make sure you are in the crypto space. The most way they keep accumulating and accumulating. We are still early in Bitcoin and crypto. We are still early in the crypto space. But keep saying it, or the Bitcoin and crypto adoption keep getting wide. More people keep embracing Bitcoin every single day, which is why even people like BlackRock, despite that, when Grayscale are taking profit, BlackRock keep accumulating and accumulating and accumulating more Bitcoin, which is you guys can also see it from here that those way here, which I showed you guys just now, they believe that the market is on his track and the market is on its way up, which is why it's using such a high leverage. That's because those are people who have been in the crypto space for a while. Yes. Belarus President Alexander Lukashenko is saying that so he's urging her banks to expand their crypto use as a sanction impact the country economy. So that is why I keep saying a Bitcoin and crypto, it gives you freedom. So Bitcoin and crypto give you freedom. So there is no you can't sanction Bitcoin. So when you sanction Bitcoin in the United States, but you can't sanction it. You can't sanction it in Europe. Even if you sanction Bitcoin in the United States and you sanction it in Europe, but guess what? You will always sanction people through a centralized exchange. You will be able to centralize it. You will be able to sanction it through a centralized exchange like Binance, BYBIT. But guess what? When you are using a decentralized wallet, like a Phantom wallet, you are using a Ledger, you are using Trezor, but they can't sanction it. You can send your Bitcoin out and send it in anytime, any day, which is why you never go wrong by buying asset like Bitcoin. So the government can hold your funds in bank, but they can't hold their Bitcoin. So all you just need is for you to place a transaction, put your address, it's going to where it's going. $1 million, you can move with it. That is the power, the freedom which Bitcoin is here to give to the people. Which is why Satoshi decided to create a Bitcoin, because Satoshi know that things like this will happen, things like this will occur. A day will come, they will sanction a country. They can't even move, $1 million from their country to the other country. But when you are with Bitcoin, you can even move $1 billion without no one's knowing. All you just need to do is to send it to your decentralized wallet, and even if you don't even need to write the seed phrase in pieces of paper, all you just need to do is to memorize the seed phrase and go to where you are going and download another application, put in your seed phrase, your money will inflate. So guys, if you are watching and you don't understand anything, let me know in the chat. So because Bitcoin and crypto is here to give you freedom. So keep holding, keep this here, because the future is here and we are still early. Imagine you just opportunity to buy at least $1 worth of Bitcoin 2011 when Bitcoin was still trading below $1. Today you will be up huge. So let's see what next. Yes, NASDAQ to invest 15 million in Bitcoin and crypto exchange, which is Gemini. So, this is the adoption which I'm keep saying. More people keep embracing Bitcoin and crypto every single day. The Bitcoin and crypto adoption keep getting wide. So people who still don't adopt Bitcoin right now, who still don't use Bitcoin, which they are still not in the crypto space, that is because they still don't understand how Bitcoin and crypto work. That is why they are not in the crypto space. It's not their fault. So guys, let's do Q&A. Let's do Q&A. Drop your question on the chat. Let's do Q&A. You never go wrong by buying Bitcoin. Even if El Salvador President Nayib Bukele, he said that his plan is to make sure he hold at least up to $1 billion in USD value now till end of the year. You guys know what that means. As of today, El Salvador are holding currently almost about 700 and something million dollars in Bitcoin. So their plan now is to buy at least another $300 million in Bitcoin now till end of the year. He tweeted it just about a few days ago. This is the president of the president of El Salvador embracing Bitcoin. Don't forget the president of the United States as well, which is President Trump, is already embracing Bitcoin. So he created Bitcoin strategic reserve. So because those are smart people embracing Bitcoin. So which is why I keep saying you need to make sure you are in the crypto space. Which is why people like Michael Saylor, each time the market is down, Michael Saylor said that you need more orange. He keep buying each time the market is down because he think you need more orange because the Bitcoin color is orange. He think you need more orange. Michael Saylor keep buying and buying each time the market is down. I was telling you guys just about a few days ago that Ledger said that almost about 2.3 2 to 3 million 2 to 3 million Bitcoin, which they are which we have 2.3 million Bitcoin. That is between almost about 11% of total Bitcoin supply, which the owners can access the seed phrase. I don't know if you guys can get that. We already have about 11% of total Bitcoin supply, which is permanently lost. But Bitcoin is just 21 million. We have about 11% of it, which is permanently lost. And people like Michael Saylor, strategy, they already hold about another 3% of total supply, when BlackRock alone is already holding a 3.5% of total Bitcoin supply. SRP is up huge, guys. You guys can see SRP is trading, is back up to $3 once again. Let's look at the market performance. The total crypto market cap is almost back up to $4 trillion. So you guys can see here 3.94 trillion. If Bitcoin can hold above $140,000, it will be so much bullish, guys. To be so bullish for Bitcoin to hold above to be so bullish for Bitcoin to hold above $140,000. If we can hold above $140,000, it will be good, guys. It will be great for Bitcoin to trade at least above $140,000 here. If we stay above, you guys can see we have a huge resistance here. You can see we have a resistance here. So we just head up to 140,000, we get rejected. But if we can stay above $140,000 for a while, it will be fantastic. So Bitcoin is up, Ethereum is up, SRP is up, BNB, whoa. BNB is up huge. BNB is up. Solana doing fantastic. Solana is up. followed by Doji is up. Most of the altcoins are up today. Tron is up, ADA is up. Hype liquidity hitting all-time high every single day. Hype liquidity is up huge because the platform has been generating, enormous amount of money every single day in volume. You guys can see Chainlink is up, Su is up, Avalanche up 11% today. Wow, that is huge. Avalanche is up 11%, almost about 12% in the past 24 hours. So guys, leave your question on the chat. Let's do Q&A. So we call it a day. Yeah, I'm good, my people. How are they? Black colors. Good. Greetings to you guys. Oh, Libes. Sonic. Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. Jama. Salam alaikum. Favor. How are you guys doing? I'm good, guys. I'm doing good. I hope you guys are doing great too. So, guys, keep this year. Stay strong. Each time the market is down. Share the stream with your friends and family. Let them know about Bitcoin and crypto. And you guys also know that, so for sure, you know, if you have been sharing the stream with your friends and family, sharing it to your church group, to your friends. So, let them know about Bitcoin and crypto, not just sharing them, tell them about Bitcoin and crypto so that in the next few years from now, they will say that, so they don't know about Bitcoin and crypto. So it's very, very important for them to know about Bitcoin and crypto so that, few years from now, when the market will be up huge, when Bitcoin will be traded at least $1 million per coin, they will be saying that you did tell them, you did let them know about Bitcoin and crypto when the market was down. That's because buy Bitcoin today, I still think that the market will still have a pullback, which is normal. If you guys have been following me, you guys will totally understand that. But I still want you guys to know that you never go wrong by buying Bitcoin this year and hope for a long term. It's still a good strategy. If you are just coming into the market, you have $100 to invest. Don't go all in. Don't put all your $100 in the market. Please spread your money across the market. So you may be deciding at least you'll be buying $5 worth of crypto once in a month, or $5 worth of crypto every 1 week, every week, or every 2 weeks. So, or you may decide at least you'll be adding $2 worth of $2 worth of crypto to your portfolio every single day. Buy at least $1 worth of Bitcoin, $1 worth of Ethereum, or the next day, $1 worth of Solana, $1 worth of SRP. That is the power of DCA. Yeah, happy Wednesday to you all, guys. Yourselves, sorry to you all, guys. Alone. Great you. Two for me. Please be onto the house. Please be onto the house, guys. Guys, if you are watching from S as well, aka Twitter, retweet the stream. Also head over to the YouTube channel by subscribing to the channel so you are supporting the community so we can grow together. It's very, very important. Yeah, I've been saying that, this technical analysis, most of the time technical analysis said that, so the market will be up. But guess what? Once you log into the market, those Wall Street, those people who have a huge amount of Bitcoin more than you, they may decide to manipulate the market by dumping their Bitcoin into the market. They will push the market down. And guess what? So your TA will fail. Your technical analysis will fail. Maybe you have been winning for the past 1 month, but that particular day you will lose it all, which is why investing is totally different from pep trading. So BNB is up. You see, BNB is already up as of today. It's already up. BNB is having, let's quickly see the market cap of BNB, even if as of today. Look at BNB here. We have it here. BNB having a market cap of about $125 billion. That is huge. Solana sitting below BNB. Solana having the market cap of 121 billion. So which is also huge for Sol. But Solana at $223 now, when BNB is almost between $900. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Always invite them, always invite them. Always invite them, let them know about Bitcoin and crypto. You guys are amazing. People are killing me. Not when I become not when I become rich now. They won't say anything. Yeah, for sure. So when you become rich, they will say that you need to tell them about Bitcoin and crypto. It's very, very important. Tell them. So you Bitcoin, we all need Bitcoin. We all need Bitcoin more than Bitcoin need us. We all need Bitcoin more than Bitcoin need us because you buy it, leave it there, it grow. So we all need Bitcoin more than Bitcoin need us. It's one thing people need to know. We all need Bitcoin more than Bitcoin need us. We don't need Bitcoin don't even need us, but we need Bitcoin to survive, to live, to do everything we need as a human. Bitcoin is so decentralized. Bitcoin is the light. Bitcoin gives you power. So guys, you guys are amazing. You guys are smart. You guys are intelligent. So stay strong. As you all know, I keep telling you guys, this time the market is down. Embrace it as an opportunity. This year, accumulate as much as you can so that when the market is up, you will be in profit. You'll be able to take profit, you know, and live a better life, not by doing 9 to 5 every single day, working for working for them. They keep taking away your buy power away from you by printing more money. Inflation keep taking away your buy power every single day. So which is why you need an asset that will be going up in value, an asset like Bitcoin, which have a mass supply. They can print more of it, they can print more fiat, which is the government money. They can just press a button, they print more as much as they can. Just like about a few months ago, you guys were all here when a President Trump signed a beautiful bill. He said he called it a beautiful bill. But we all know there's nothing beautiful about that bill. What is beautiful about it is by printing trillions of dollars, 2.2, it's almost about $3 trillion, no, 3 point something trillion dollars. He signed a bill to print 3 point something billion dollars, 3 point something trillion dollars. That is what caused this inflation. Why Jerome Powell don't want to cut rate in the first place. So guys, I will see you all tomorrow from 6 p.m. Central European time. Stay strong. Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. Most of the data are still looking bullish. So see you all guys all tomorrow, guys. Don't forget, you are smart and intelligent. With Bitcoin and crypto, we will all achieve a financial freedom together. Charisco is out, guys. See you all tomorrow.